Good morning, America. It is election day. I'm not here to tell you who to vote for. I'm here to tell you, get up and go vote. Not voting is worse than voting for someone you hate. Don't help anybody, don't help yourself. This is my little PSA for the morning. I'm gonna go have donuts and coffee because I voted. Second time voter. And you know what? I'm gonna crack open some liquor tonight. Turn on the election headquarters of whatever station I pick, and as many times as they say the candidates' names, I'm taking a shot. Maybe I'll live stream it. I probably will not. That's a terrible decision. But you know it's not a terrible decision? Going out and voting. Have a wonderful day.
And remember, kids, the next time that somebody tells you the government wouldn't do that, oh yes they would.